Hello and thank you for checking out Bosch Chemical. For today's demonstration we will be cleaning a CAT AP1055 paver with our blackout asphalt dissolver. This paver has moderate buildup and our goal today is to dissolve the asphalt and be able to easily remove the soil with a hot water pressure washer. We are hoping to bring this machine back to its original condition. For today's application, we will be applying the product with a 1-gallon pump sprayer. You will want to use the product undiluted and be sure to thoroughly wet all of the areas of buildup that you are attempting to remove. For the next step of the application, we recommend using a stiff bristled deck brush. This will do a couple things. It will help break up any excess buildup and also helps the chemical penetrate the soil to make it easier to remove later. And the final step to the process is using our hot water pressure washer to remove all of that excess buildup. As you can see, the chemical has worked very well here to soften all of that buildup, and it's relatively easy to remove with the hot water. Blackout is very effective in removing the thick buildup that you're seeing at the bottom of the screen. If you are unsuccessful with your first application, we do recommend multiple applications to remove that extra thick buildup. So as you can see, in about 45 minutes, we have successfully removed almost all of the asphalt from this machine. We do have just a couple of areas that had extra heavy buildup that we were not able to remove due to time constraints. If you have some thick buildup remaining, a brush hammer can assist in that removal, and a reapplication of the product will remove any of the remaining asphalt. Thanks for checking out our demonstration of Blackout Asphalt Remover. This product is available in 1 gallon, 55-gallon drums, and 275-gallon totes.